What's up everybody, Curtis here from Digibit, and today I'm doing something a little different. I've never done this before, but I wanted to give you guys a vlog. That's just the easiest way to do this sort of content. And back in July, when Digibit kind of first came to mind, I didn't really have a place to work or a place to film. I could do it from my fun room, but the problem with that is I have to worry about disturbing the wife or dogs knocking over studio equipment, things like that. And honestly, it just wasn't a very good atmosphere to be able to produce content for you all. So one sunny Saturday, me and my wife decided to completely gut the garage. We had moved a few times in the past few years, so over the course of those years we gathered so much stuff and we just didn't have anywhere to put it, and unfortunately the garage is where we put it. So we spent the entire, actually I think it was that entire weekend, just ripping stuff out, getting rid of it, making trash runs, making Goodwill runs, and we finally got it cleaned out. And then after that, I did a little bit of upgrades. We put up a big backdrop and things like that to be able to create a more pleasant atmosphere. Because quite frankly, this brick, it just isn't good to look at. And hopefully in the next few months, some more changes will be made to be able to produce better and better content for you all. So yeah, come along for the journey, and I promise to try to make it a little fun for you all, and yeah, see you in a few minutes.
This looks like an episode of Hoarders.
I almost got rid of this!
Never in my life did I imagine it'd be peace.
So to tell on myself a little bit, I had the ladder going up the table right here to be able to screw in that clamp right there. And I went to get down and my foot hit some stuff. You can see like all the scurry marks I left on the table. Yeah, I completely lost my footing and almost like dragged the ladder down with me. I didn't film that, thank goodness. Otherwise this whole vlog would probably go on Fail Army or something. But yeah, so I have a huge mess to clean up. There's crap everywhere.
Hey everyone, thanks for making it to the end of the video. It's been a journey, it's been a really fun journey, and it's so cool to be able to create my own atmosphere, kind of with my own personality, and bring you guys along for it. So with that said, it's time to bring this to an end. Be sure to hit that like and dislike button down below. Be sure to comment and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification while you're at it. That lets you be up to date with what's going on with Digibit. It'll notify you every time I release a video. And yeah, be sure to hit me up on Instagram and Twitter. The handles for those will be down in the video description. I'm constantly putting stuff up, giving you little teasers, and just kind of bringing you guys along. So yeah, hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you in the next video.
I found a friend.
What'd you get?
I got a froggy. Look at him. He's so